As sporting associations continue to grapple with the COVID-19 crisis, the starting time frame and the structure for qualification matches in the 2022 World Cup continues to be a sticking point for CONCACAF. Here's more in this report. Director of Caribbean Football at CONCACAF, Horace Reed, says there's no need to rush decisions at this stage, even as CONCACAF President Victor Montaliani suggested that there might be a reshaping of the region's 2022 World Cup qualifying format. Under current guidelines, the 6 regional teams ranked highest by FIFA are slated to play each other home and away for a total of 10 matches apiece between this September and June 2021. 3 would earn automatic spots to the 2022 World Cup in Qatar, and a 4th would enter a playoff against the winner of a second-tier regional competition in October of 2021. However, Reed says too many things are at stake to restart in a rush, especially with the dynamics of the coronavirus.
Until we get to a point where there is some level of stability that allows you to make those determinations. So there will have to be that level of analysis across all of the confederations, but specifically to CONCACAF, we'll have to see exactly how we are going to be impacted at the end of the day, because World Cup qualifiers are not domestic competitions, it's cross-border competitions, so there's going to be the need for travel. And travel has been tremendously impacted by COVID-19, and I suspect it's going to be so for a while. Not least of which is going to be situations where they're going to be fear for travel. Players are going to also have that level of not the same comfort level that they enjoyed before traveling, as well as other members of the football family, referees, etc., etc. So we have to wait to see.
Despite the varying possibilities of qualification, Reed pointed out that there is one key ingredient for things to start.
Well, realistically, you can't bring international football back online until you bring domestic football back online.
Right.
That's where the players are going to come from. So until the domestic leagues are back up and running, it's very hard to envisage how we are going to have to be talking about international football. So I think that's where, once that starts to happen and you start to see these leagues back online, then at that point you begin to see more definitive positions taken in terms of calendars and dates.
The former JFF General Secretary also commended the efforts of the current administration to restructure its statutes following a meeting with FIFA.
In terms of the ability of the JFF to dialogue with its stakeholders, but there are other ways to do that. We can use technology to do that. So hopefully that doesn't slow that progress much. But I'm very optimistic. I'm very pleased with the approach taken by the JFF and its willingness to transform itself into a more modern organization.
Reed, who was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill with Simon Crosskill, has been director of Caribbean football at CONCACAF since 2017.